Hey guys, welcome back. Now, over the last few years, the Bitcoin price has been exploding. However, with Bitcoin now becoming mainstream, there are a growing number of critics about the Bitcoin mining process. The latest being Elon Musk. So, is the Bitcoin mining process and energy usage actually a problem? Well, that is what this video is all about. Cathie Wood and the team at ARK Invest are actually big fans of Bitcoin, and they have done a study which revealed some very interesting insights about the energy usage of the Bitcoin network. So who is going to be right? Elon Musk? Cathie Wood? Well, in this video we will look at Elon Musk's recent tweet that just crashed Bitcoin. We'll answer the question, is Bitcoin mining actually a problem? We'll take a look at the research from Cathie Wood and the team, and then finish with a very interesting insight by Michael Saylor. As always, if you do enjoy the video, be sure to drop a like, always very much appreciated. Okay, so the latest shockwave that was sent through the crypto market was by none other than Dogecoin's biggest fan, Elon Musk. And here is what happened. Check it out. And this is the tweet that just crashed the Bitcoin price. Tesla and Bitcoin. And he attached this. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Crypto is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as the mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptos that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. And this is what it did to the Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin was actually doing really well, upward trend, all going well. Elon Musk tweeted and it literally crashed the Bitcoin price, crashing it around 13% within minutes. As mentioned, Cathie Wood and the team are actually big fans of Bitcoin, and they have done numerous studies into the Bitcoin protocol. And when it came to Bitcoin's energy usage, they actually uncovered a very interesting insight. And here is what Cathie Wood had to say.
As far as the environment, I encourage you to look up Yacine El-Mandra's white paper on our website. He addressed this environmental issue. And if you compare the energy use of Bitcoin in particular, compared to the energy it would take to mine gold, Bitcoin is digital gold, it's a fraction of it. And then if you want to think about it a little bit more broadly, because of course the Bitcoin blockchain and other blockchains are going to enable much more rapid settlement of trades and transactions than the traditional financial institution, say 10 minutes as opposed to a week or a few days. Think about the energy consumption of the traditional financial world, and you'll see in that chart what Bitcoin is using in terms of energy right now, which is mostly renewable, by the way, hydroelectric and other renewables, is again fraction. It hardly measures up at all to that.
And this was the research that Cathie Wood was referring to. So here the black bars are energy expenditure, and the purple bar is the annual cost in the billions of dollars. And we have Bitcoin mining, gold mining, and the current banking system. And look at the difference. They found that the Bitcoin mining process uses a lot less energy than the current gold mining process. And we never hear any negativity about the gold mining process. And then when you compare it to the current banking system, this probably uses 10 to 20 times more energy than the Bitcoin network. And again, we never hear any negativity about the banking system's energy expenditure. And I also found this on the current annual CO2 emissions globally. So this is the current annual CO2 emission, over 35 billion tons, and this is the current Bitcoin network at 0.13%. Now, I've been following the crypto market pretty closely myself over the last few years, and from everything I had learned, Bitcoin's huge energy wasting problem was in fact incorrect. With the latest research showing that between 50 and 70% of all Bitcoin's mining and transactions is already coming from renewable energy. Check this out.
While the University of Cambridge estimates 40% of all Bitcoin miners use renewable energy, recent statistics suggest this figure could be as high as 70%. This makes Bitcoin mining one of the greenest industries on the planet, even with the lower estimate. As renewables become even cheaper and more abundant, their use in crypto mining will only continue to grow.
So it really makes me think, what data is Elon Musk actually looking at? And I personally find what Elon Musk is doing in the crypto market a little bit strange. Pumping up Dogecoin repeatedly, being able to buy Tesla with a Bitcoin and then not. Remember, Tesla still owns Bitcoin and they don't intend to sell any. You just can't now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. Well, after a huge Twitter backlash, Elon Musk did then share some data on Bitcoin's energy usage. Check it out. So this was the follow-on tweet later that day. Energy usage trend over the past few months is insane. And he dropped a link to this chart. So this is Bitcoin's electricity consumption. It goes back about 5 years. And as you can see, it is pretty high. But when it hits 2021, it then does go exponential. But this doesn't say anything about the fossil fuel issue. This just says that lots more people are actually using the Bitcoin network. But now I'm a little confused because Elon Musk's argument was the fact that Bitcoin is now starting to use huge amounts of fossil fuels. But that data just shows that lots of people are beginning to use the Bitcoin network. But what about all the electricity that's currently being used in everyday electrical items, like kettles and toasters and computers? Or what about all the electricity that's going to be used in these millions of electric cars that are soon to be coming our way? And so why didn't he show the data on all this negative fossil fuel usage? So again, for me, this really doesn't add up. Okay, and to finish, we have Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy. Michael has probably spent the most amount of time looking into Bitcoin than just about anybody else. And MicroStrategy was actually the first company that put Bitcoin on the corporate balance sheet. And he has revealed a very interesting insight regarding Bitcoin's energy usage. Check it out.
The last point I'll make is that 20 basis points of energy used to mine, to actually secure the network, that's exponentially decreasing. What's going on right now is the revenue and the block rewards in the Bitcoin network are falling every 4 years. So by the year 2035, 99% of the Bitcoin's been mined, and that means that the network starts to run only on transaction fees. The incentive of the network to burn energy will fall almost by an order of magnitude, and the efficiency of the SHA-256 ASICs will increase by an order of magnitude. So what you've got is a network that it's decentralizing itself and making itself exponentially more efficient, which makes it the least energy intensive, most efficient technology that we have perhaps discovered ever in the history of the human race.
So once Bitcoin's fully mined, it will become the most efficient technology that we've ever discovered. So there you are, guys. From everything I have seen, there is no evidence that Bitcoin has a big fossil fuel problem. The latest research shows that between 50 and 70% of Bitcoin's energy usage is already coming from renewable energy. Cathie Wood's research showed that Bitcoin is only a fraction of the current gold mining process, and this is something that we never hear about. And her research also shows that the current financial system is using 10 to 20 times more energy than Bitcoin's network. And again, this is something that we never hear about. And Michael Saylor points out that when Bitcoin's fully mined, it will be one of the most efficient technologies that we've ever created. So there you are, guys. What do you all think? Where do you sit on this debate? Does Bitcoin have a fossil fuel issue? Why is it okay for Tesla to be able to buy a Bitcoin, but we can't buy a Tesla with Bitcoin? Is Elon Musk manipulating the Bitcoin price so he can buy more? Or is Elon Musk planning to announce a huge clean energy Bitcoin mining solution? I would actually really like to know what you think in the comments. So there you are, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to click below and join us. I do have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Okay, cheers guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.